Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful day. It is an amazing day. It is a great day to love yourself and to love others. I am the host of this show, of the Simply Natural Black Life Show. I'm your host, Sonia. How you like that? No. So anyway, guys, how y'all doing this morning? So I told y'all I'm not going to do the same old introduction and all that kind of stuff all the time. I'm just going to switch some things up. I will do a little coffee time later. I just want to show y'all something that I just woke up to. Not woke up, I've been woke, but I'm just saying like something that I just walked to the back door. And let me just show y'all the view that I see right now. It is so amazing. But anyway, this is what she's wearing today. It's a nice, pretty much nice, good day. So let me just show y'all really quick. We're gonna come outside for a minute. Y'all, look at this. Hold on, I don't want them to run away. Guys, this is my backyard. I love it. I love it. I don't want to scare them. Look, y'all. They're so big. I was just like, oh my God. And Mark just left. I don't know if he's seen these or not. Y'all, look at them big old deers. Can y'all see them deers back there? Look at that. Look at how big that deer is. And they're just in the backyard just chilling. They're just looking. You see them? How cute is that? How awesome is that? Look at that, y'all. So we got the mulch. So later on I will be tackling that. I don't mind doing it because it's a beautiful day, kind of. It's about, I think it's going to get up to 63 degrees today. Can't even talk. But guys, I'm super, super tired today. So if I seem a little off, that is why, because I'm tired. I had to like, what do you call it? Like, I had to like, oh my gosh, my mind, where's my mind this morning? Where's my mind? But I had to register all the TVs. The one I thought, the first one in the bedroom, he registered when I actually called in, but it was already registered. So I had to re-register this. I had to register the new one, and then I had to register his lifetime warranty for the tools that he got. So guys, look, here is the TV. Can y'all see that? Ow! Look at that. Oh my gosh, now I got y'all all the way down. Now y'all see how that looks. You'll see it another time when it's on, but that is so nice. Y'all look at that. I love it. We're gonna have to find something to put here. If not, I don't know, but for now that it's cool. That is pretty cool. I'm loving it. So yeah, guys, y'all already know I'm just looking and trying to hold out for my dresser, and I will be super, super happy. So yeah, like I said, I have to take these papers and take this receipt and register that stuff. And what else is going on? I'm trying to think, what else am I doing today? I think that's about it. I think that's really about it. Let me show y'all the TV in the kitchen. So can y'all see? Can y'all see her? I think it looks cool right there. What do you guys think? I know y'all gonna let me know anyway, but I like how it looks right there. It's pretty cool. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, that's what I meant to tell y'all. So, far as the faucet, the faucet kitchen sink, let me place y'all somewhere and then I can read this to y'all because we had to order it. So hold on one second, y'all. And then, sorry guys. Then I can tell you all about it. I can tell you all about it. But yeah, we had to get it, we had to order it. So that's what the lady, if you've seen us at the desk with someone, we had to order it. So it's gonna be delivered. I can show you a picture of what it looks like. It's gonna be, what is this? Oh, okay, that's for that. This is the receipt. So it's gonna be delivered, they're saying expected on March the 18th, but she's saying that it won't come until she thinks next week because the 18th is in a couple of days. So this is what we ordered. This is what we got. And guys, to be honest, I don't want to show y'all the address or nothing, but this is it here. This is what we got, and I absolutely like it. And the thing about this, now we've seen it online on the phone for $71. So that's what they gave it. That's what we got it for. So it came up to $77. And yeah, I can't wait to get it. But that's what it looks like right here. And then it tells you, he already paid for it. It tells you right here, like all the things that come with it and what would you need to install it or whatnot. So, like all the features and stuff like that. So this right here tells you a little bit about it and all of that stuff. Let me see, what is this page? Hold on, y'all, let me see what this page is about. I want to just give you, tells you like a single handle, deck plate included, no sensor. So we don't have a sensor activated tool or anything, but yeah, that's what it looks like. And I can't wait to get it when it comes, and I'll show you guys. But yeah, we had to order this, and it was actually cheaper. It actually was cheaper for us to order it and it'd be shipped to our house. So I'm happy about that. So guys, yeah, I will come back a little later, and I'll probably hang out with y'all. I'm gonna do a little bit of the yard back there, and yeah, I'll see you in a second for tea time. Remember that the battle is not yours to win all the time, and though we may go through things in life, guys, we have to put it in perspective. Every time you're not going to always win, and you're not going to always be right. Just choose to be happy, to be free, and just live a good life. Live a blessed life, the best you can, the best you know how to do. That's my tea time for today. It's not very much, but I just want to let you guys know, love yourselves. It's so important to love you first before you can love anybody. And just remember, the battle is not yours to fight. It's not. Stop trying to fight everything and try to win everything and do everything. Okay? Just do the best that you can while you're here. Okay? And just do good at the things that you're doing while you're here. And let him worry about the rest. Don't you worry about it. Let him worry about it. So guys, do the best that you can, but always remember, the battle is not yours. It's not. Sometimes you have to pick and choose your battles, all right? All right, y'all. All right, guys. Y'all see my friend still back there? So all we're going to do now is we're going to take these garbage bags like this, and we're just going to place them on the dirt. Like so. And then whenever you can have like little areas where you can tuck it underneath something, then you go ahead and tuck it as well. You know, tuck it underneath rocks or underneath sticks. That's gonna have to go. But yeah, wherever you can tuck it, just tuck it like that. Here we're gonna use this to tuck. The wind is blowing, and my hair is getting stuck too. So that's okay. That's the first thing you're going to do. Then you'll bring your dirt over here. I'm going to finish laying some more of this, and then we'll come back. Okay? So guys, all you're going to do now is just take the bag of mulch, and you're going to spread it onto the plastic, like so. And I did tuck under here. And just spreading it around like so, y'all. And then, even with the bag, you can keep the bag, and you can use that as something like that too. So I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna end up showing y'all how it looks when I get back. Ooh. All right, guys. So what I was saying was, you see this bag here? That is an empty mulch bag. So I'm gonna use that as a weed stopper, like the black bags I'm using here. So we got all of this done right here, and then I'm gonna cut this bag open, and we're gonna get on to the rest, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay? We're having a little bit of movement here, guys. Y'all want to see what it looks like, and then we're gonna move on to the next, because I got spray paint in my Home Depot bag, and I put the chair back out here because I'm gonna spray paint her one more time. But this is how she looks, y'all. Look at that. All it takes is a little bit of effort. Look at that. That's gonna be gorgeous, man. And then I got new blooms. Look at that, y'all. I got new stuff coming up right there. These are flowers, perennials. Something's coming up over here. Then we have these, and then this one is the same. If you guys can see these little things right here, that's the same as this one. I'll come back in another video and tell y'all what kind of plant it is, because I don't remember. But stay tuned. I'm not done. I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing this chair, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, I had to come back in the house, and I worked up me some much needed refreshing. So I decided to make me a smoothie. So that is what I'm doing here. And then guys, we're gonna close out this video. I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks. And we're gonna call it an evening. Y'all, this is so good. It's time to go back outside, guys. I'm gonna close this video out. While I enjoy some outdoor vitamin D. So I did get a chance to this is so refreshing. I did get a chance to put the rope around the thing, but I want to show y'all guys. Look how this is gonna look. So what I was trying to say, I did get a chance to put the rope around the stuff, because last year the landscapers cut down my stuff, y'all. So there is the string, if you guys can see, around the area, and there's the bed again. Wait till we put the rocks in it, and guys, just look at that. Look how that's gonna look when I get a cushion. Oh my gosh. Let's take a moment of silence, okay? Let's just have a moment of silence. But guys, I'm gonna end this video with my lovely theme here. And yeah, I will see you guys in another video. I'm really grateful and thankful that I am in shape enough to do yard work. You know, some people can't get out here and do it, but I'm grateful for that. Guys, don't forget to love yourself so that you'll love others, so this world will be a much better place. And yeah, let me give y'all another look at that. Look at that. Y'all look at that. Ooh, wait, look at that. So that is gonna do it for me, guys. I'm gonna sit here, drink the rest of my smoothie. And I will see you guys tomorrow in another video. Thanks for watching today.